Finally, I received this Buddy from Gioni 20,000 mAh fast charging power bank. It comes with lithium polymer battery, and here's how this outer packaging looks like. Let me quickly show you some key specification. Oh, here are some output details, cell capacity. So I'll be explaining this later on with power bank. Coming to model name, color is black. It comes with 6 months warranty, and sadly they have provided this chargeable number. So month and year of manufacturing is October 2020. MRP is 1999, but it is available on Amazon or Flipkart for 1000 rupees. It's basically made in India product. Let me keep this aside and show you what else we get inside. And we get this micro USB cable, which is completely useless nowadays, and being a user, and let me keep it aside as well. We also get this user manual. For your reference, you can read this user manual in case how to operate it. I just keep it aside. Now finally coming to this main unit, it comes in this folder. Let me take it out. So it comes with this texture finish, and I think that as per the build quality, I think that it's the best power bank in this range of 1000. But sadly, coming to their claim of fast charging, and it doesn't support any fast charging. So I have tried it with my smartphone and Nokia as well. So and wise coming to this voltage information, like output is 5 volt 1 ampere, and second one is 5 volt 2.4 ampere, and it also shows this 5 volt 3 ampere as a PD charging, and it also shows this micro USB 5 volt 2 ampere. Now coming to all these ports, I mean, I have tried it with the first, second and third. So for first one is for sure, I mean, that is not for the fast charging. Second one is you may expect fast charging, and it's a 15 watt power bank, and here it shows a 3 ampere. I have tried the speedy charging as well, but it is nowhere like a fast charging power bank, and sadly it's a huge disappointment for users who are looking genuinely for any power bank. So I have been doing research and research for power banks, but failed to get any power bank which really supports fast charging. They all come with 18 watt support, and during my usage, I have tried Urban 10,000 power bank, and it really works well. But the problem with that unit, I mean, that internal part is shaking from inside, and I need to return that product. But sadly, this one is also a waste of money, so please avoid it if in case you are expecting a fast charging power bank. But you can purchase it for if you really I mean, consider patience, and for around 2 or 3 hours you can keep your smartphone with it, so it's really good for you. You can go with it, and I found nothing else, I mean, as a problem with this unit, and it doesn't heat as well, so it's a good thing about this. And coming to some other details which are mentioned, and overall this power bank is not value for money, and that is what the final verdict of this video is. And I request users to avoid this if they are expecting any fast charging power bank. And truly, I mean, initially when I have used this power bank, it worked really well for some time, but with I mean, with time, I mean, it really shows its true color. So it is taking more than 2 hours, which is nowhere expected, I mean, from this power bank. It's really good. I mean, if you're trying this with your normal charger or 2.0 ampere wall charger. So that is what in this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and support us for more videos like this. So that is my honest review about this product, and I'll be going ahead with other products, or I mean other products as well, but I need your support. So please subscribe and like if you like this with this video, and please do your comment in case you feel that there is need of something which can be improved. So I'll be doing all my bits. Thank you.